so we have the sum of the first two terms. So u1 plus u2 equals 15. And then we also have the sum to infinity. So sum of infinity is u1 over 1 minus r, which equals 27. So it's important to first think about what sorts of numbers make sense. It says that everything is positive. So that means u1 and r have to always be positive. And it says there's a sum to infinity, which means r has to be between 0 and 1. So if we get anything other than between 0 and 1 for r, we know we've done something wrong. Okay, so we can also, right now we have three unknowns, 1 minus r. We have three unknowns. Let's see if we can get it down to 2. So we get u1 plus u1 times r, and that equals 15. And then we have this one. So now we have two unknowns. So if we solve for u1 here on both of them, we get 1 plus r equals 15. And then we get u1 equals 15 over 1 plus r. It's just a pretty general technique that I always try and do, is to solve for u1 on both of them. And 27 times 1 minus r. Okay, so now we have u1 and u1. If we set these equal to each other, we get 15, 1 plus r equals 27, 1 minus r. Solve for r, we get 15 over 27, which equals 1 minus r, 1 plus r. 15 over 27, 5 over 9. Okay, and then we get, bring that 1 over, we get 5 over 9 minus 9 over 9, which equals negative r squared. And then we have minus 4 over 9, well, let's just go plus 4 over 9 equals r squared. And then 2/3 equals r. I was just thinking way in advance back then. 2/3 is r. We're keeping the negative 2/3 out because it should be plus or minus, but we know that r needs to be between 0 and 1. All right, so now we can go back and find the first term. Where's the best one to do that? u1 equals 15 over 1 plus 2/3. 1 plus 2/3 right here. 15 over 3/3, so that's 5/3. And then u1 is 15 times 3/5, which is, that's 3 times 3 is 9. And there you go. Fast IB question on geometric sequences.